Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to check if someone has sent you snap on the Snapchat app. So first of all, make sure to download this correct app from the App Store or Play Store, and also make sure that your app is up to date. And once you open this app, you will see like this chat option, and on this chat option, as you can see, there are like multiple chats, and you can read the multiple options like opened and received and new snaps and chat, and this like means different things. So if you see like new snaps and chats option just below the name of the person, it means that that person has sent you a Snapchat which you can open and check. And if you have opened the snap of that person, you will see an option like received and opened. So these are the options like which you will see, and it means that you have received the snap of that person and you have also checked it. And if I did not open the snap yet, so you will see, as you can see, team Snapchat, new snaps. New snaps means that they have sent me a new snap which I have not opened yet. So once you open the app, this will vanish, like the new snap option will disappear. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to know if someone has sent you a snap on Snapchat.